Hey there, AFI Fragrance fam. I'm sure y'all have heard of solid perfumes and balms, but have you ever seen a jelly perfume? With so many innovations in the world of fine fragrance, it's no surprise that brands are thinking outside the box, or should I say bottle, when it comes to their signature scents. Here's how you can make your own with just a few ingredients. This formula works because of a highly specialized ingredient. This is polyamide 3, which is typically used in clear lip glosses to give them that moisturized, occlusive feel. Because it's oil soluble, it'll be perfect for making a perfume balm with a jelly-like consistency. Note that it'll be tricky to find a substitute for this ingredient, so if you want to reformulate without it, just make sure you do plenty of testing. The base includes a little bit of the polyamide 3 and lots of castor oil. These little beads are quite firm, so they'll give the balm a nice, solid texture that can be swiped on the skin. But without the castor oil, it would be way too hard to use as a roll-on product. You'll need direct heat to melt the beads down. They melt around the boiling point of water. So a double boiler won't be enough to get every little bit fully melted. Instead, use heat-resistant glass and a hot plate on low heat. Stir both together until you don't see any more beads of polyamide. They're clear, so scrape the sides of the beaker to make sure there aren't any stuck on the walls of the glass. Remove it from the heat and allow the mixture to cool until it's only warm to the touch, but still liquidy. Now you can move on to phase 2. This phase includes some vitamin E oil to act as an antioxidant to lengthen the shelf life of the balm, and of course, the fragrance oil. I went with our AURORA DAWN fragrance, which is soft, sunny, and feminine with notes of grapefruit, magnolia, and cedar. At this stage, you can also add a couple grams of mica powder to the mixture if you'd like the jelly perfume sticks to have a slight shimmer to them. Fill twist-up containers while the mixture is still liquid. This formula will firm up a lot as it cools, so try to keep an eye on it and don't leave it sitting in the beaker too long before filling the containers. After a couple hours of cooling to room temperature, you'll see how firm they've gotten, but they still have that nice, clear jelly look. To use it, twist them up and swipe it where you normally would any other perfume. It's soft, silky, and non-greasy. Finding ways to innovate is essential for staying ahead in an industry as big as fine fragrance. Sometimes you might need to challenge your preconceived notions about your formulas and go through some trial and error before finding out what works. That's why our free 1-ounce samples are perfect for any new projects you want to try your hand at. No risk and no waste. Let us know if you try this formula out and what fragrances you think would be perfect for it. Thanks so much for watching, Fragrance Fam. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye!